Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to design a dream text t-shirt in Canva. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, change the background color to black. Go to text. Type D. Go to fonts. Adjust the font size and duplicate it to write the word "dreamed" completely. Go to Layers, and select All. Then go to Position. Now change the color of each font one by one. Now change the position of each font. Now take a duplicate of each font and change its color. Go to Elements and take a square shape. Change its color to black. Go to Layers and bring it forward. Now duplicate it. You can adjust the letters as you want. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon to receive notifications of my all videos. To learn more about Canva, see you in the next video. Bye!